If you're serious about buying an apartment in Medellin, then maybe you need to stop looking in high traffic areas and start considering this neighborhood. Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be looking at an apartment in the neighborhood of Conquistadores in Laureles. So let's take a look at this amazing apartment. And by the way, stick around towards the end of the video because I'll go over on the map to show you what's around you and where we're located in Conquistadores. But as we look into this apartment that has 187 square meters of space with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, the kitchen was fully renovated. The entire apartment was renovated, but you saw the kitchen there. I really love the design that they did there with the stone countertops as well. Right, so this apartment has a lot of space, 187 square meters, including the private outdoor space that we'll see here in just a minute. This balcony looks into Conquistadores. We're on the 2nd floor with elevator access as well, so no need to walk up any stairs. And all of this information about the property, price, HOA price, property taxes will be listed down below in the description. So go ahead and take a look at that. Now, we just looked at the first full bathroom. This is one of the guest bedrooms with access to the back door there to the outdoor space that I was talking about. You can see how massive it is over there. So again, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. We're walking into what they have set up more as like a studio / office. That's what I would do. I would set this up as an office. You know, maybe if you have a family or your family's growing, maybe that would be one of your children's bedrooms. And then now we're into the master bedroom here. You know, you just have plenty of space, enough space to possibly put a king size bed there. And now we're into the master bathroom, and look at that giant bathtub. You know, again, they did a really good job renovating the kitchen and the bathrooms and some of the closets as well. Now we're gonna walk towards what I think is the best part of this apartment here is the outdoor space. Look how much room you have here. You could put a basketball court, you could set up a gym, set up a jacuzzi. You can do anything you want here because you have so much space back here. So I'll let you guys finish watching the rest of this walkthrough, and then we'll head over to the map to show you where we are and what's around you. All right, so let's take a look at the listing for this property. It is on our website. If you guys want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. On our website, you'll be able to see all of the details for this property, including price per square meter, the asking price listed in Colombian pesos, as well as it being converted into US dollars. So let's head over to Google Maps and I'll show you exactly what's around you. So looking at the map of Medellin, for those of you that don't know where Laureles is, well, first Poblado, right? El Poblado is marked down here in purple. I marked that out just to kind of give you a reference of where Laureles is. And Laureles is up over here in the northwest of the city. So zoom in here just a bit, and Conquistadores, the neighborhood within Laureles, is marked out in this yellow triangle that I have right here. This is all of Conquistadores. Just like all of the other neighborhoods of Laureles, it's flat, it's walkable. It has more of a local Colombian neighborhood vibe, as you would probably find other neighborhoods in El Poblado. Laureles in general just has that more Colombian vibe to it. So let's zoom in here on Conquistadores. Now the building, it's located in this green area that I have marked down here at the bottom. And you can already kind of see these other green patches. There's a lot of parks. That's another thing that I like about Conquistadores, is that has a lot of parks just right in front of you. In the building, you have a bunch of little parks here. And the best park that you have around you is Parques del Rio, which I marked out right here at the top right. For those of you that don't know, in December, when the entire city decorates itself for Christmas, this is the place to go visit, Parques del Rio. It's a large linear park that the city built, and you can go there any time of the day, and people will be there doing exercise, rollerblading. During the day, they'll be doing picnics. A lot of people take their dogs out there and, you know, have like dog meetups. There's cafes, there's ice cream shops. I believe there's 1 or 2 restaurants there as well. It's definitely worth checking out. And if you live in this area and that's like the lifestyle that you would would rather have more of like a residential chill lifestyle, then I think living in Conquistadores is a great option to consider when you're buying an apartment here in Medellin. Now, a few other things that I want to point out: main roads that you have around you. You have Avenida 33, right, 33rd Street. Now, this road is one of the main entrances to get into Laureles from the highway that I have marked out right here. Now, the highway is marked out in red. This one obviously goes north and south of the city. So that's like your main access points. If you wanted to get in and out of the city, you would probably be leaving from the 33rd Street onto the highway, depending if you needed to go north or south. Conquistadores also has its own shopping mall that I have marked out over here. It is called Centro Comercial Unicentro. It's right here on the left side of where the apartment building, which is about a 5 to 10 minute walk. And in this shopping mall, you'll find a movie theater, you'll find a gym, and of course, all of the other shops that you would find in other shopping malls here in Medellin. So you have that really close to you as well. And if you were to buy and live in Conquistadores and you wanted to go check out some restaurants, you have First Park and Second Park of Laureles, just about 20 minutes walking from this area. I know 20 minutes sounds a lot, but it is flat. Laureles is just a little bit stretched out, just a bit more, but again, it's all flat and walkable, and 20 minutes isn't really that bad walking. You can enjoy the sightseeing, probably find some new cafes along the way. And First Park and Second Park of Laureles, I have them marked out right here, these two squares. Similar, you have the same restaurants that you would find in Provenza here at these two parks. Restaurants like La Causa that do sushi, restaurants like La Pampa, which is an Argentinian steakhouse, and a lot more. And these two parks, even though they have most of the main restaurants in Laureles, they're not the only place, right? You can just walk around all of Laureles because it is flat and walkable, and you could possibly run into a coffee shop that you've never seen before and kind of be like a hidden gem. That's what I love about Laureles, and when I lived there, you can easily walk these streets and find a coffee shop that you probably never even found online and talked about, and it's kind of like a hidden gem, right? Or a restaurant, whether it be Jamaican cuisine or Colombian food or Mexican food or whatever, right? And they're not just in these areas of First Park and Second Park of Laureles, and I think that's what makes living in Laureles so awesome. And the final two things that I want to point out here is that if you did want to go out and enjoy nightlife here in Laureles or in Medellin, and you didn't really want to go down to Poblado and you wanted to stay in Laureles, well, you would go to La 70, which I have marked out here in red. That's where the nightlife is. That's where you'll find dance clubs that do crossovers. So they'll do Colombian music, bachata, salsa, merengue, cumbia. They'll also do reggaeton, possibly some hip hop and more poppy music as well in the mix. You get a lot of fondas in that area. You'll probably find some clubs there that probably just only do reggaeton or rap or hip hop or whatever. Maybe a few rock bars there as well. This street, La 70, 70th Street, would be the place to go to. And then finally, you have the stadium, which is pretty close to you. I would say probably a 20-minute walk from Conquistadores, but again, it's all flat. But if you wanted to take a cab, that would be like a 10-minute drive. Here, you could go watch the soccer games, right? Medellin has two soccer teams. They also have a basketball team. If you guys wanted to go check out that basketball team, they play there at the stadium. And then on Sundays, they do close it down for ciclovia. So the surrounding streets that go around the stadium here, they close it down, and then just like in El Poblado, you'll see families out there doing exercise, running, jogging, biking, rollerblading, whatever, walking their dogs, and just enjoying the Sunday morning of Medellin. So there you have it. That's it for this apartment in Conquistadores. If you guys are interested in this apartment, or maybe you want to see something else, or maybe you saw something on someone else's website and you want to work with us, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.